अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं डॉक्टर दीक चांद और आप देख रहे हैं आस न्यूज़ एचडी टीवी। मुझे यहां एक फॉरेनर मिले हैं जिनका ताल्लुक इटली से है। बाकी सुनते हैं इनकी कहानी, इन्हीं की जुबानी। हेलो,
Hello,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
my name is Asha and I'm coming from Italy. So, hello to all the beautiful people of Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum. So, I'm here in Karachi for 4 days already, and basically, I like the city, but like the best thing about Pakistan are the people. You are so friendly, so generous people. So, this is what I really like the most.
What thing is special you found in Pakistan about which you can explore in all over the world?
Uh, So in Karachi, nothing in particular, but I have some friends in Lahore and in Islamabad, which I'm going to visit later on. And everybody is telling me that this like is the best part of the country by far, like the nature, the mountains, which I'm getting forward to see.
What you say about food in Karachi? Karachi is a rich food street.
Yeah, exactly. So every time I travel all around, and I have visited 120 countries so far.
Wow.
Yeah, the main thing for me is to experience the local culture and especially the food. So basically, I'm not eating any Western food wherever I come, and I'm focused only on local food, which in Pakistan is awesome. You have very traditional food and very nice food.
Can you name some food items which you ate last today?
Yeah, by name I cannot. I'm sorry, but by name I cannot.
In Karachi, most of people like tea.
Yeah,
You tried tea?
yeah, I did. But like in most of Arab countries around, you like tea very much. So yeah,
You came first time in Pakistan?
yes, first time now, first time.
First time.
So in May I will return back, but as I told you, I'm going up north to Lahore and Islamabad. Yeah.
Yeah. What message you gave to the people who never come to Pakistan?
You definitely should visit Pakistan. You will feel very welcome here. Like people will greet you. You will feel like a superstar when you come to Pakistan. Yesterday I was at the Clifton Beach, and I was like feeling like I don't know, Hollywood actor or Bollywood actor. Everybody was approaching me, wanted to shake hands with me, wanted to meet me. So I was feeling really special, and everybody that comes to Pakistan will feel as well.
Yeah. What is your message for my channel viewers, Ask News viewers?
Take care of the country. You have a great country, and be as generous and good people as you are.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
जी व्यूअर्स, मैंने अपने हिस्से का काम किया। भाई ने बड़ी अच्छी बातें की और उनका कहना है कि जी मैं मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि जो लोग भी पाकिस्तान आते हैं, पाकिस्तान आए, बहुत अच्छा मुल्क है ये, और ये कह रहे हैं मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया और फर्स्ट टाइम ये पाकिस्तान आए हैं। बहरहाल आपने ओनली फिंगर टिप्स पे इस वीडियो को ज्यादा शेयर करना है। इजाजत दीजिएगा डॉक्टर दीक चांद को। अल्लाह हाफिज, टाटा, बाय बाय।